Look at these pendants. Aren't these incredible? These are going to be the focal pieces for the new Forged in Fire Kumihimo necklace kits that are debuting on Friday. It's a little teaser of the necklace. So we're going to do a Kumihimo beaded rope that's going to change colors from one side to the other. Most of these kits are going to feature a slider type of pendant, like this, where it'll just slide onto the braid when you're finished. We will have a few that are going to be tie-ons. Your kit instructions will tell you how to do that if you're going to have a tie-on style. Look at these. These are all raku. So what that means is that these are ceramic. So first the clay is formed into whatever shape it's going to be, and then that air dries for a while, and then it's fired in a kiln. And then once it's been fired and allowed to cool, then it can be glazed. And what's really interesting about the glazing process is that the colors that you put on when you're glazing are not what you're going to get when you have the finished product. So you put on the glaze, you have like some idea of what you're going to get, but really the magic happens during the secondary firing process. So your glazed pieces go into a kiln and they're heated up very, very hot. And then after the glazes have melted, the lid of the kiln is removed and the extremely hot ceramic pieces are immediately transferred into some sort of vessel for combustion. These were made with combustible newspaper. So you put the ceramics in, and immediately, because they're so hot, the newspaper just burst into flames. And then you slam the lid down on that combustion vessel and you wait. That's it. You wait until it cools down. And after it's cooled, that's when you get to open it up and see your surprise. And there are all sorts of variables that go into what colors you're going to get. It depends on how much like oxygen is in that combustion vessel, how things are interacting with the combustion material. So it's always just a little bit of a surprise in terms of the colors you'll get, and that is part of the magic of raku pendants. So we have this collection here. These are made by a local artist, and these are going to be just incredible centerpieces for our new Kumihimo necklace kits. I think you are going to love making and then wearing these beautiful necklaces. And these kits debut on Friday. That's April 26th. See you then. Bye.